Born and raised in California, Ryan Yantis became one of the most successful swimmers ever to graduate from Cordova High School. A four-time All-American high school swimmer and letterman, he set 2 national and sectional high school records in 1979, one of which was broken in 2007. Not only was Yantis a record-setting athlete, he was an active member of student government and an Eagle Scout. Yantis earned a full-ride scholarship to the University of Missouri, where he lettered in swimming in 1980. It was widely accepted that he would have gone on to compete in the Olympics had the U.S. not boycotted the Moscow Games later that year. Shortly after college graduation, Yantis joined the Army, where he served for more than 20 years. He retired from the military in 2006 as a lieutenant colonel. Yantis' commitment, training, and skills first acquired in the pool in Rancho Cordova would later serve him well while he assigned as a public affairs officer at the Pentagon. Minutes before the 9/11 terrorist attacks, Yantis was in the area where American Airlines Flight 77 crashed. He was discussing with a coworker the World Trade Center attack that had occurred just moments before. Yantis returned to the crash site to account for personnel under his charge and made sure that everyone in his office had evacuated. When he found several people injured, Yantis began carrying out stretchers and bringing aid into the building in a life-saving operation, making him forever as not only a decorated 9/11 survivor, but a first responder as well. Today, Ryan Yantis is Vice President and a founding member of the American Pride Company, a nonprofit organization dedicated to sharing first-person stories of overcoming challenges relating to the terrorist attacks of 9/11 to engage the nation and inspire patriotism.